The astronaut is
that
upside
is the
down.
spacewalk. Yeah.
And we can see this object getting close to it.
There it is, to the left, to the right side of the screen. You can see the astronauts on the spacewalk working, and also the same big object observing. This was a long sequence, and this object was moving in different locations, but all the time present. This mission STS-120 was the most successful mission for NASA, but also has a lot of UFO sightings for us, the researchers.
What is amazing as the American media is not presenting this openly, and now this is very important.
Yeah.
Look, this is the landing of the
Discovery landing, and look up above.
A UFO comes just above it.
Look above. Look. Do you see it? That object suddenly stopped and kept there. So this is the first time that we have an actual footage of an unidentified flying object approaching the shuttle when landing. This is quite unique, so this mission was really surprising. And the image is very clear.
Africa, and then out over the Indian.
And this is the STS-120.
Yeah, this is the last one. This is the last one, just 1 month, last month. And, well, we can tell you there were, again, many UFOs around. As you can see here, again, the cargo bay. But you see all these incidents sometimes happens just in seconds. So if you are not watching or recording at that exact time, you can lose it. The evidence, you can lose the evidence. So we must keep ourselves 24 hours for 14 days watching and recording in order to get these evidences. So we are not alone in space.
This mission was not as spectacular as the others, but there were objects there. And again, you have to consider that even though these objects, this light seems to be static, they are moving at the same speed of the International Space Station or the shuttles.
Can you put the original audio, please, to the videos, because we are not hearing audio on the videos?
No, but it's music. I don't think it's the original audio. I don't think it is.
Okay, thank you.
They are not as clear this time.
Atlantis, Houston sees a good config for the NC4 burn.
That I call up to the Atlantis crew, preparing for a final NC rendezvous phasing burn.
Look at that. Look at that. Of course, they never comment during the transmission anything unusual.
Again, to refine that approach, the last burn put the.
But we are certain that they are aware that there is something outside.
It was a height adjustment burn, and
so it's very clear.
We're 35 nautical miles apart at that point. Closing in, we are 4 hours 19 minutes from the scheduled docking of the two vehicles.
And we can assure you, these are not shooting stars. These are something else. Now this is a interesting feature, because the shuttle is what you are seeing here, and then some objects appear around,
a good burn.
as you can see. You see in the lower part of the screen. So every time a different action take place, but we can expect every time a spectacular incident
Hey guys,
could happen.
And, can you
There's
verify
another
your
one.
glove heaters are off
And it's going
gloves
up.
are clean.
This is huge, and it's going up very slowly.
Heaters. One of them's on. Take that one off.
Now
Thank you.
this mission of last month was also successful,
Paddles on.
and they decided to right away prepare the Endeavour
Station forward. Just straight down.
to be launched this month. And as you can see, during the spacewalk also,
Okay, just stand by.
suddenly
Okay, exactly.
something unknown appeared.
And the adjustable is also released. Okay. All three,
Cart, they'll continue to maneuver and put it in position for installation on the P1 truss.
Okay, we copy station.
We've just passed the 3-hour mark of this EVA, just past the halfway mark. The spacewalk originally slated to last about 6.5 hours, and they are on schedule.